here we are, Premier Sports Customs. This is going to be the coolest place, I think, in the UK to come and get your car customised. What do you want? Do you want a body kit? Do you want a wrap? Do you want starlight headlighting? Do you want a tracker? Do you want your dents doing? Do you want your wheels refurb? Whatever you need, this is the place to come. Our customers are now going to have the privilege of having all of their cars put to this fantastic new facility that we've set up. And I've got to tell you, it's not just state of the art, it is the best out there. We have not cut any corners. This is it. Clean, clinical, professional, the best.
Welcome to Premier Sports Customs. Let's show you around. So what we got, reception area.
Yeah, this is our reception area.
And then waiting room upstairs.
Yeah, I call it the lounge.
Okay,
it's our lounge, so you can come have some tea, coffee.
You love tea and coffee.
And it's obviously unfinished, so
tropical plants, if I get my wish.
Yeah, that's down to you, otherwise there'd be plastic.
Yeah, that's not happening. A couple of desks.
Yeah.
Lounge area.
Yeah.
There's going to be stuff going on in here.
Yeah.
And crucially, you can look out behind you.
Yes, you can.
Being worked
you
on
can.
while
That's
you
all.
sit and wait.
This is the clean area of the workshop. That you know, all your cars will be jacked up and done the correct way.
So this is the area that people don't really see.
This is the dirty end. This is where we powder coat all our wheels, prepare and paint all of our kits, all of the urban kits.
So what's this? Tell me about this massive machine.
So this is our powder coating booth, which is water,
Cooled?
no,
Extracted?
water extracted. I don't know if that's the thing. Shall we show you that bit?
Yeah, show me some stuff.
Let's show you the,
Basically, you've got a urinal in there. So what's
we
the
have,
purpose
yes.
of
I do hope that Cole doesn't actually go through it, because we don't give any tea breaks or lunch breaks.
What's the purpose of that then?
Just the extraction, yeah, just the extraction. Whatever's left in the atmosphere will go up through. And this end, we bake all of our wheels. About 180, 200 degrees, so it's really, really hot.
So that's for powder coating. What's the rest of this stuff? There's a huge oven.
So this is our spray booth.
So I think earlier on we saw some wheels being painted in here. What's the difference between what they were doing earlier, painting wheels in here, and doing them in there?
So just while we're literally on the final stages of the setup with the powder coating, waiting for our hooks and a few little bits, we still wet spray. So we have the ability as a technicians to wet spray, which is normal paint, and powder coat wheels.
Okay. So it gives you a different finish on the wheel.
It's just powder coating is where you need to be with your wheels, but we have the ability to wet spray should it be a special colour or anything like that. And then we've got obviously our body kits, any little trim repairs and
so you could actually, in theory, well, you can drive a whole car in here and
absolutely,
and spray the whole car.
If
you wanted to.
Yeah. We've had this supplied to us, the exact size we want. Should we need to put a car in there or do it that way?
Cool. Okay. So this is where the magic happens then, the tunnel of love, as it's bizarrely been named.
It has, yes.
But the cars look absolutely incredible in here.
They do.
Social media.
Yeah.
Shot a couple of videos in here so far.
We've had fantastic feedback.
Yeah. It's worth the money to put it in just from an advertising point of view, really.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got our detailing bay, which is an RSQ8 having a paint correction done at the moment, hence why it's a bit dusty and a bit so.
This is one of our cars, isn't it? It's going to be all sale at Premier Sports Solutions.
Yeah, this is mid preparation as it sits now.
So when a car comes in for sale,
for
us, they're all coming back here first. You guys are preparing them, making them perfect, and then they go up to our site, and then we can advertise them there.
Clean and sell. Yeah, so literally every single car should come here for an inspection. We'll look round it, we'll test drive it, we'll do all of the things that a potential new owner of a car would want us to do.
Yeah.
So we're ticking all of the
Make
boxes.
them perfect.
Exactly that.
Cool. Okay, so then you've got a wrap bay over here.
We have, yes, which we've got a pickup in at the moment, which is going matte black.
Okay, cool. And that looks amazing in this light.
Yeah, again, great feedback from our rapper, Adam. He's doing an absolutely amazing job. He's got about 6-7 cars booked in now, so
Okay, cool.
he's in demand, which is
Popular
great.
feature.
Great for the business.
So you got, what have you got here? 5 ramps? 5 ramps?
7 in total. So you've got the 2 in the bays,
Yeah.
and obviously the 5 in here. So obviously, like we said, we do the powder coating of our wheels. So we need to jack the cars up. Doing it this way is the safest way. It's the best way. And we can still work on the cars. We're having trackers fitted whilst doing alloy wheels, so on and so forth.
Cool. This is a bit of a classic, a modern classic.
It is.
Mercedes SLS. Yeah.
So this one is,
Trim missing here, there and everywhere.
yeah, a bit of paint correction, test drive, a few little bits and bobs, but nothing major.
And Defender's just driven in. What's this in for?
So this is an Urban Defender, which is now sold. The customer has asked for an upgrade.
Okay.
So he's going to go for the wide arches, the canards, blue calipers.
Okay.
So yeah, we're
So you're chunking it up a bit.
gonna
Taking the normal Urban, making it.
the next step.
Okay, cool.
A wide boy.
Yeah, nice.
BMW M3 is in for new carbon.
I still really like these. I hated them at first. Now I like them.
If you park the old shape,
Yeah.
the shape before this,
Yeah.
next to it, it just looks so dated.
Yeah, I know.
Which is mad because, you know, I think
When these came out, people are hating them.
absolutely, yeah.
But now they look good.
They do look really good.
So let's head into some carbon.
Yes. Prep, polish, and done. Yeah, we're there.
Well, there's what's this? A Panamera Sports Turismo?
Yes, yeah, this has just come in. We've taken the PPF off. PPF.
Are you removing
Off.
PPF?
We're removing PPF
Yeah.
just to make sure that the paint is absolutely correct underneath. So a few little bits got to be done by Porsche, and then we're polish, get up for sale. Back to Premier Sports Solutions.
Okay, so there's your first look at the finished Premier Sports Customs. We are going to be doing an open day, so come down and have a look for yourselves. Keep an eye on our socials for when that will be, and yeah, I'll see you there.